Okay, it's day number 6, and here we are back at Scissors Crossing after having a wonderful stay with some great people up in Julian. Great meals, great time. Thank you so much. You know who you are. Ken, how you doing?
I'm doing mostly good. I have one blister, but it's all uphill, so it's going to be avoided. It's a beautiful day right now.
It is. We got 20 miles of uphill ahead of us. We're not going to do all that today, but couldn't ask for better conditions. So. Rocking and rolling. We're on our way. There we go, leaving the bridge at Scissors Crossing, Julian, in the mountains that we're headed into. Lots of flowers in the desert. There's a good shot of Scissors Crossing and the PCT crossing between the two roads. Then you turn to the left, go down the road about 0.8 of a mile, zigzag back in, and then you can see almost in line with us the PCT starting to go up the hill on the far side. Those are the mountains we walked down through over the last week. There hasn't been much audio with the video today because it's been really windy, well in excess of 35, 40 knots at certain places. So much noise, I knew you couldn't hear me talking, so I just didn't bother. We're near mile 88.2. That's enough for today. Heavy packs coming up the hill. We did okay. And we're going to take 2 days to get to Warner Hot Springs. It's really going to take us a day and a little bit more. But things are going well. So we're going to stop here for the night.